Hi guys, can't type, not while I'm using this, so you'll have to bear with me with commentary, etc. But I want to talk to you about potatoes, spuds. It's a very good time actually this time of year, and something that we might not have had to think about before, to buy potatoes and store them, because fresh bought potatoes now, especially over the next month, obviously depending where you are, but in my part of the world, in Europe, and I would have thought in Northern America as well, it'd be a good time to buy them in bulk cheaply. They used to be so cheap, didn't they? Cheap staple food, and they've just crept up in price to the point where a bag of potatoes is, sometimes you look at the price for 5 kilos and think, really? But I've noticed here locally we're starting to get a lot in from the farms. We had a bout of wet weather, so, about a week or two ago, so that would have helped. Anyway, storing them needs to be in a, preferably in a, well, not preferably, ideally in a dark place, well ventilated, cool as possible, and in a, you can store them, actually best way to do it is in an open brown paper bag, um, and you want to make sure there's not too much damp, and you don't want to have any other fruit or vegetables near the ones that you're storing, especially not bananas or onions, etc. So it might sound like a strange video, but obviously it's not a strange video. If you see a big sack of spuds, 20 kilos, 30, 40, 50, depending on how much your family gets through, and you store them properly, as I say, they've been heard to last up to 6 months in the right conditions, and I don't think there'll be a better time to stock up on potatoes than now. Cheers everyone, happy mashing.